Types of plants. Plant world shows a large variety of shapes and structure on the basis of their construction and habitat. Millions of species of the plants have been discovered so far, and many are needed to be explored in future. These plant species may be categorized into various groups on the basis of following criteria. A. Type of the plants according to their size. B. Type of the plants according to their age. C. Type of the plants according to their habitat. Type of the plants according to their size. On the basis of their size, plants may be divided into three categories. A. Herbs. B. Shrubs. C. Trees. Herbs. Herbs are soft green plants without any woody structure. They are annual or biannual plants. They may be erect such as mint and coriander, or may be climbers such as money plant, or may be creepers such as pumpkin and watermelon. Shrubs. Shrubs are profusely branched woody plants. Their stem divides into many branches just above the ground, so a prominent long trunk is lacking in shrubs. Shrubs are perennial and complete their life cycle in several years. For example, rose, jasmine, bougainvillea, etc. Trees. Trees are identified by their woody, long and strong trunk. They are woody and have a long life. Some trees live for thousands of years, such as banyan. Some trees are branched, such as mango, while some are unbranched, for example, coconut and papaya. Type of the plants according to their age. On the basis of their age, plants may be divided into three categories. A. Annual. B. Perennial. C. Ephemeral. Annual plants complete their life cycle in 1 year. They are soft and herbaceous in nature. Example, dahlia, marigold, spinach, carrot, cabbage, tomato, potato, wheat, rice, etc. Perennial plants live for 2 or more years. Their body is hard, woody and branched. All trees and shrubs belong to this category. Example, rose, mango, coconut, neem, banana, etc. Ephemerals are very short-lived plants. They grow in a particular climate at very particular time and complete their life cycle in very small span of time. Example, orchids. Type of the plants according to their habitat. Plants show a great variations in their structure, form and functioning on the basis of their living place referred as their habitat. On this ground, plants are divided into following categories: hydrophytes, xerophytes, mesophytes, saprophytes, lithophytes, parasites, epiphytes, halophytes, phaeophytes, and heliophytes. Hydrophytes or water-loving plants are the plants which grow in abundance of water. They may grow as submerged or floating rooted in base of water body, or may be free-floating or submerged. Plants growing near the water bodies also show hydrophytic nature. Example, lotus, trapa, hyacinthus, etc. Mesophytes. Mesophytes, also called moist-loving plants, belong to the terrestrial plants. Their natural habitats consist of moderate conditions for plant growth. These conditions are described as not excessively dry but not too wet. Example, pea, papaya, pumpkin and melons, etc. Lithophytes. Lithophytes or lithophytic plants are plants with special adaptation to growing on rocks or in rocky terrain having scant humus. They absorb nutrients from the air, rain and decaying organic matter which accumulates on the rocks. Examples: orchids, mosses, ferns, etc. Sciophytes, also called shade-loving plants, are those plants with a special ecological adaptation to reduce light and intensity or partial sun. Most of these plants are found naturally growing on the forest floor and under the canopies of trees with thick foliage. For example, orchids, ferns, club mosses, etc. Epiphytes. Epiphytes are those plants which grow on other plants. They are autotrophic and synthesize their own food by photosynthesis and need other plants only for shelter. For example, mosses, lichens, ferns, etc. Xerophytes. Xerophytes, xerophytic or xeric plants, also called dry-loving plants, are those having plant adaptation to regions with scant or no water and hot conditions. Their natural habitats are the arid and semi-arid regions and those places with long summer drought. Examples: cactus, apansia, pinus, aloe vera, etc. Saprophytes. Saprophytes or saprophytic crops refers to the mushrooms. They are not plants but fungi which have no green tissues. The natural habitat consists of the dead or decaying organic matter from which they obtain their food. Examples: mushrooms, butter mushrooms, etc. Parasites. Parasites or parasitic plants are plants which grow on another plant which they need as a source of nourishment, either partially or entirely. Examples: cuscuta, sandal, rafflesia, etc. Halophytes, also called sod-loving plants, are plants that can tolerate growing under saline conditions or in natural habitats which are excessively rich in salt. These plants show aerial roots and viviparity. For example, mangroves. Heliophytes. Heliophytes or heliophytic plants, also called sun-loving plants, are those that require for their optimum growth full exposure to the sun. Examples: coconut, mango, sugarcane, corn, etc.